Hello guys, welcome to Algoics Knowledge. And today we will see a 1 minute formula for summation of all the natural numbers from 1 to n. For simplicity, we will take n as 6. Here, rather than doing linear addition, we will do addition of 1 with 6 or 2 with 5 and 3 with 4. 1 plus 6 gives us the answer 7. 2 plus 5 also gives the answer 7 and 3 plus 4 also gives the answer 7. That means we are doing the addition of 7 3 times. We can clearly see that 3 is nothing but 6 by 2 and 7 is 6 plus 1. If we update 6 with n, we will get the formula as n by 2 into n plus 1. If we rearrange the statement, we will get n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That is our formula. I hope you get this formula. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.